Very good evening. This has been a nice thing to be tied up with Sister Nivedita University for Work Integrated Learning Program. Today's date with Peerless Group and Sister Nivedita, the training program, what we would be doing, which would benefit the whole students of the institute. And today's date, these students would be doing a training with their industry directly, which a lot of the hotel management institute does not have not done that. And I really appreciate Dr. Chaudhary and the whole management team of Sister Nivedita to be a part of the organization. And from the management of Peerless, we will be rendering all the support to make this program a success. Thank you.